Hey everyone, this is Alan from BMW Durham, back again with another video. We have another new arrival. It's the 2023 BMW M550i in Alpine White. Alright, so this is the 2023 BMW M550i xDrive Sedan. That was the headlight welcoming animation, so I just pressed unlock. And I can also go ahead and get the whole lights on there for you. Let's walk all the way around the vehicle. So this one does have a aftermarket winter tire setup. So I don't know exactly what wheels these are, but I'll get a description for you once I edit the video. Got little lights on the door handle, which look really nice. I love how bold these rear tail lights look. And let's walk all the way around. Really nice looking car. I love all the body lines on the vehicle. This is kind of the outgoing design language, however, with the lines going right through the door handles, and still looks really good. But BMW is definitely moving away from this design language into a little bit of a different design language. So let's go look at the details. Alright, so right off the bat we do have the shadow line laser light headlights. So we do have that blue accent in there and those nice L-shaped headlights. It says BMW laser there, just in case if you're wondering. And it is all blacked out inside of there aside from those blue accents. And then we have exterior black contents. So we do have the one-piece blacked out kidney grille. There's a little camera down there. And we've got some air intakes on the bottom. Front plate bracket is on. But overall, front end looks really nice, especially with everything blacked out. Now, let's take a little bit of a closer look. Again, I don't know off the top of my head what wheel this is, but it is a 18-inch M wheel. And what I do want to emphasize is these massive red M Sport brakes that look awesome back there. Now, we do have this little cerium gray M badge here. We've got that little black piece on the fender. We've got the signal indicators on the side mirrors, as well as the little camera there. Side mirrors are in body color. We have black window surrounds. Car was tinted, so it looks really gangster. And we do have another set of 18-inch wheels on the back, again with some Pirelli winter tires. On the top there, we've got the sunroof. We have the shark fin style antenna. We have a black lip spoiler on the trunk lid. Cerium gray xDrive badging, BMW Rondell, M550i badging in cerium. And then down here, we have the horizontal reflectors with the freeform exhaust with quad tips inside, rear diffuser down here. And there's the other two tips. Now, let me just go ahead and kick my foot underneath the back of the vehicle. We'll get that to open up. We do have a button here for open and lock. This is a little area that in other markets they can clip in their little safety kit, like hazards and flares or whatever they got over there. You've got your carpeted floor mats. We've got a grocery bag hanger on this side. Release levers to fold down the seats. We've got a little storage area right now. We've got our wheel lock keys in there. And then we have a little netted area here, as well as this little panel we can lift up, and that's where your tire inflator kit and tow hook will be found. And I'm gonna just go ahead, kick my foot under there one more time, and we can get that to close the fancy way. Let's take a look inside. All right, so if we approach from the rear, let me just open that door. We do have comfort access on all four door handles. We've got, looks like the aluminum rhombical trim inside of here, and I've got the lilac ambient light going, my favorite. And we've got Harman Kardon sound system. And we have black Dakota leather, which looks really good in here as well. So we do have the aluminum M door sill. We've got the winter mats in there, pockets in the back of each seat, vents in the back of the center console. We do have heated seats for the two rear outer positions. We have a 12-volt plug down there and two USB Type-C charging ports. Look at the lovely stitching on these Dakota leather seats. I love the piping here as well. The headrests can be adjusted. The center one can flip down just like so. There's an armrest in the center with some cup holders, and we've got a pass-through down here as well. And up top we have the handle with the coat hanger on each side and some reading lights. Let's go take a look at the front side. All right, so if I open the door from the passenger side, so we do have the illuminated aluminum M550i door sill. We've got passenger side memory and massage. More of that beautiful trim and ambient lighting there. And again, full power seat with lumbar and side bolster. Beautiful front seats, very comfy. Beautiful ambient light set as well on the dash. And look at this, if I open this up, this is where you're gonna find the ambient air. So both are in there right now. So there's 2 cents. And then we've got this massive screen for iDrive 7. We have these physical climate controls, as well as the programmable memory buttons here. So that's pretty awesome. And let me just, if I just turn on some fan, you'll see a little digital display down here for all of your climate controls. If I open that up, you've got communication pad. We have USB type A, cup holders, 12-volt plug. And then we've got that old school shifter. It's becoming old school. And then we've got all of our modes, traction control and park assist, wide angle view, park assist, electronic parking brake and auto hold. Split armrest with USB type C. Let's go take a look at that side. All right, so if we approach from the driver's side, so car was just tinted, we can't put the windows down, but we do have some massage controls, memory controls, and we've got window controls, side mirror controls, tailgate, Harman Kardon, M550i, power seat, all this beautiful stitching here. We have head-up display, live cockpit professional, M Sport steering wheel. So we've got cruise control, heated steering wheel, radio controls, paddles, wipers, and we've got your signal stock over here, power adjustment for the steering column, exterior lights, right? Let's take a look at what is under the hood. And I'm pretty sure this one also has ventilated seats. Yes, it does. This thing is well equipped. Let's take a look. So if I lift this up, wow. So that is the N63 4.4 liter V8 twin power turbo. This produces 523 horsepower, 558 foot-pounds of torque. Absolute beast. Happy to still see there's some V8s alive. Not for long, but we'll see how long we can keep these V8s going. Positive battery terminal, so I'm just putting the cap back on it. We have our negative battery terminal just down here. And we've got washer fluid way over there. What an absolute monster. All right, so before I conclude the video, we're gonna just do one more sweeping walk all the way around the vehicle so you can kind of get a sense of as many angles as I can possibly try and provide for you. I really like this car. It is definitely a car that I would potentially consider if I can afford it, but I kind of just want to get a full M, if you know what I mean. Now that we're at the back though, let me try this. That sounds awesome. All right, everyone, so that was my tour of this beautiful 2023 BMW M550i xDrive sedan in Alpine White on black Dakota leather. Car's awesome. You guys let me know what you think in the comments below. If you like the car, if you like the video, if you like me, make sure you like, share, and subscribe. We'll see you on the next video. Thank you so much for watching.